TK back with another video. We're gonna do Ford Mustang again, but this is not just any Mustang. It's a Shelby, but not just any Shelby. GT500 KR. There is a backstory behind this vehicle. Y'all stay tuned. Check it out. Everybody, this is Shaun. This is his Shelby GT500 KR. Shaun, what got you liking Ford Mustangs, especially the Shelbys?
Well, back in the mid-2000s when the kind of the newer generation of muscle car wars started up, I knew I wanted one, and I drove the Camaro with the retro body style, the Challenger with the retro body style, and the Mustang, and the Mustang just fit. It was one that I got when I get in one of these S197 platform cars. I feel like I'm part of the vehicle, like I'm part of it, not on it, and it's just very, very comfortable for me to drive. So to each their own, but I love the comfort and the way I feel in the cockpit.
So Shaun, is there any modifications, or this is the way the car came from the factory?
This is bone stock, the way it came out of the Shelby facility in Las Vegas.
Okay, if I recall, Ford had a 5.4 liter twin cam supercharged V8. What is the horsepower on these?
This 540.
It's 540 horsepower. Okay, that's a lot for being, you know, from the mid 2000s.
Yeah.
And I noticed with the hood it's carbon fiber, so all KRs are carbon fiber.
Yeah, that's one of the big KR additions, is a carbon fiber hood with working ram air grabber.
I see that.
That and the retune they do to the computer gives it the 40 horsepower over the regular GT500.
Okay, sweet. But I know you, like you said earlier, this car just suits you better than the other two, and this is what you the most comfortable with, and it just works for you, for your style.
Yep, it's my third one, and I've loved every single one of them.
Awesome, awesome. Shaun, I do appreciate you giving me a ride in your GT500 KR this afternoon.
Absolutely, anytime.
It's not my first rodeo riding in Mustangs, especially GT500s, but this car is special. I see why you picked this car. It's fun and it's exciting. Woo! Hear that supercharger. There we go. You know how to downshift? It sounds good. It seemed like with the exhaust on these cars, like all four V8s, they always had a distinct sound. I just like
the KR's got different mufflers.
Yeah.
And actually, it's one of Ford. It's one of the Ford Performance magazines.
Yeah,
it's
the SPT.
It's a Ford racing part number, but they're them little cans. I ain't too big on that little bit of cackly backfire. And
it ain't for everybody, but I like that stuff because it just, whoo, I feel my chest get bigger, you know.
When you got your foot in it, it sounds good. When you let off, it's got a little bit of cackle. I don't like that. You don't got in the older cars, but
oh yeah, absolutely. Yo, Shaun, thank you for giving me a ride. The GT500 KR is an awesome car. I see why you picked this car. Especially the way this is set up. It's a great grand tour. It does everything well. And again, like you said earlier, it fits you very well. But again, thank you again. You know what? That's gonna wrap today's video. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.